What the fuck? Where was this when I needed it most? See? Dual sun shades. Ugh. Yes! Yeah! It's small, but hey guys, it's me, #1 Crossing fan. 3D printed parts came in. I was able to finish the Lego house off camera. I'm sorry, but look at this. There's some black ones and there's some cool looking ones. But I'm just so glad I'm able to finish this roof. Cause for I don't know how long, for so many years, it's been what it looks like. But now, yes, the complete roof. This is supposed to open. Oh, I forgot to close the garage. Better not let anyone steal my shit. So anyway, there's a few things I want to review. Like, hang on. Like this guy, paint splatter Lightning McQueen. After running into Ramon's body shop, he crashed into his paints, and now he got jizzed on. He got cream pied. He's still, for some odd reason, he doesn't have the Hudson Hornet 95, just the regular one. And yet again, he is the same chassis as the regular Lightning McQueen. See the bumper? It's an actual one. Oh, even here, there's no... Here. See that? There's supposed to be a bolt by the 95, meaning Hudson Hornet piston cut, but you're just a regular. I'm not sure if they did that for... I'm not sure if they did that since its release or something. Oh shit, did I not put him there? Did I put him in here? No, I did not. We got a miss... Oh, wait, he's right there. As I say, we got a missing Easter buggy, but here he is. His license plate is Bongo from California. He's obviously a Volkswagen Beetle. Volkswagen Beetle June buggy. He has the solid axle. GUR 97 U45A made in Thailand. Yeah, for some reason it's not made in Thailand. I wonder how China's gonna make these things again. Yeah, especially this guy. Are they gonna keep this model, or are they gonna use Hudson Hornet Piston Cup's actual expression? This one, U47A, same chassis as this guy. Turns out they were for sale because apparently Easter clearly ended. It's April 9th. Before we get to this, I got lenticular flow. Look at that. Even the back is transparent too. Look for more of my friends on the flyer inside. Yeah, sorry, I'm not going to open this box, so you're trapped in there. And she's been for 16 years. Because this thing only released in 2010, or 9. But 9 is, what's the series called? That 10 is Final Lap. Frick, 2009, whatever. 09, 010, lenticulars. Now, guess what car this is? If you guessed 2006 Toyota Corolla, you'd be correct. Now I gotta paint this so it looks like an actual Corolla. The wheels, they never printed properly, but screw that. I'm gonna use other wheels, like Hot Wheels wheels. But I have to sacrifice one of my Hot Wheels for this. Looks too small. Well, I have to get one of the 2017 mail trucks drill out the rivets and then put them on this car. How do I do this? Dremel, maybe? Drill? Huh. Well, I'm gonna figure that out, but I want to paint this thing. So now, here goes nothing. There we go. All painted up. You got this. The brake lights are up there. You can barely see that circle. Reverse lights, signals, and the brake lights are on the edge, canonically. This isn't black. It's supposed to be red, but this crappy ass marker is too crap. And can't do shit. Now, I would have gotten the this part right here, but I ain't got it yet. So I'm gonna have to stick with the smile for now. But once I get the frown, I'm gonna be really happy. I also did a sunroof. And now the underside is like this, because I haven't painted the underside yet. I don't want to do that yet until I get wheels for it. Now, the Lego wheels, I wanted to test it on. These ones, well, hang on. They don't exactly fit well, and I want it to roll. This will not clear it. But I did a little digging around of my die-cast cars, and I said to myself, fuck, now which one do I use? I grabbed one of these guys. I don't think that probably might fit, but I want it accurate, like the 6-spoke rims, sort of like this, but a little more like this. Matchbox cars, some of them, like the mail truck or this Nissan Sentra, it has the correct rims, and I want them. Now, what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to get another one of these, drill this out, and then get the axles. Now, I could do the mail truck, but the axle doesn't clear. The axle doesn't clear it. But if I can get this, there we go. You see the wheels? They're perfect. Even the front ones. Even the front ones are perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the wheels off another Sentra, because I kind of want to keep this one. I'm gonna get a Dremel and drill out axle holes. Then I'm gonna get super glue, put it on there, wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna get these things. I'm gonna get these guys and paint the undercarriage, so it looks sort of like this. I'm even gonna add in an exhaust. Fuel tank. Now, my OC's Corolla is all-wheel drive, so I'm gonna add a shaft here. Front and rear differential. Transfer case. Now, I did talk to my sister. I kind of wanted this bigger, and she said she'll do it. So, probably be around their size. Gotta do some touch-ups. Now I'm gonna show you one last thing. I followed a YouTuber's McQueen instructions. I kind of lost his back bumper. I wish I lost it somewhere. I'm still trying to find it. I'm really stressed. But look how good this turned out. Ka-chow. And he still rolls. So now he's gonna be displayed doing this. What's it called? The car's line that switches. Quick changers, I think. Quick changers. You press the back window, they do a pose. Or, at least, McQueen does. Like a lowrider. I'm gonna wait for this thing to dry out. And then later on, tomorrow, because it's late as fuck, we're gonna continue this video. So, how do I wanna transition? Ooh, I got it. Let's fade to black. Okay. Time 8:26, April 10th. I got the donor car. Well, it's an Opel Astra, but it's got the rims. Alright, let's get unboxing. God. There. It's out. Alright, now time to check on little Corolla. See if the axles fit. Okay, there seems to be some type of clearance issue, but well, I don't care. I'm gonna continue. Oh, I got Lee Race, the Eldorado Chase. I have Hudson Hornet Piston Cup McQueen. He's sitting right here. Right now, I'm gonna go on top of Todd. Ugh, I can't even reach up there. Excuse this mess. I kind of left in a hurry, but alright. Now, time to drill. I knew I should have gotten the Sentra. Well, okay, I did it. Look at it from upside down. Actually, you can get the view. Oh shit. How's it look? Oh my god, this looks perfect. And he's able to roll, sacrifice an Opel, even though they're not in the US. Sorry! mini car. Ran out like a brick. Again, I got Lee Race. And then I was able to get these rims on my dream car toy. A bigger version of this will come probably in a few months. I know it's long, but it's probably just as long as me waiting for summer vacation. Alright, I think that's all. Oh wait, no, that's not all. I gotta paint the undercarriage. Watch this. And there we go. 2006 Toyota Corolla S. April 2026, my signature. Making sure it rolls straight. Yeah, it does. Look at it now. I've had to lift it up because I had to make sure the wheels clear the body. But, oh my god, I actually have a Toyota Corolla toy car. I made one of my dreams come true. Now I want a bigger one. And it's got the 6-spoke rims. I don't have the S body kit, even though it says it is an S. Let's just say the body kit panels broke off. Even the spoiler. Now I'm gonna probably use this for filming. So like for example, I don't know, rolling shot maybe, or just a pass by. Or insane crashes. I'm just so glad to finally have it in 155 scale? I don't know. But like and subscribe to your Animal Crossing fan. I'll see you on the next one.